Folks, Edgemore Rep Fan here. We at Belmont for just a little bit. We got NS Train 213 coming southbound through downtown Belmont, North Carolina. And that's Charlotte District Mainline. He's short today, folks. Man, he's short. Short today. Wow. Alright, folks, and that was NS Train 213, short 213, heading southbound through Belmont, North Carolina, in that Charlotte District Mainline, Belmont, North Carolina. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. The reason we come up here this evening, just for a little bit, is 153 is working Charlotte Yard. They should be about done. Got the NS 8101 Central of Georgia Heritage in the lead, so we're going to hang around and wait and get that. Anyway, thank y'all very much for watching this video, and God bless.